indentation hardness of mild steel, brass, aluminium, etc. using Vickers hardness testing machine. The setup used for this simulation is shown here. Throughout the simulation, to proceed to the next step, please click on this arrow below. The type of indenter used is diamond cone indenter. Now let us select the material to be used. I'll be selecting brass. Click on brass here. Once the specimen is placed in the supporting table, adjust the height by moving the pointer in the wheel. Once the height is adjusted and the specimen is placed in its position, click here to adjust this knob to apply the load. So the load applied is 20 kg for this experiment. Click on this clock to set the time up to which the load has to be applied in the specimen. Click once again to stop the clock. The time selected is 11 seconds. Click on this green button to apply the load to the specimen selected. Once the red light glows, the application of the load stops. Once the image of impression is clearly visible, move the pointer here to measure the indentation diagonal length in X direction. So the indentation diagonal length in X direction is found. Now to measure the indentation diagonal length in Y direction, move the pointer in here. So the indentation diagonal length in Y direction is found. These are the observations for the current trial. Similarly, we do for one more trial. These are the observations for the two trials carried in this simulation. Vickers hardness number is found for the two trials. The average Vickers hardness number is also found.